Hello student, my name is Hemant Rana. I welcome all of you on my channel named Educational Buddha, and this is the third part of the chapter Tick 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 of class 4th Math Magic. And if you have not watched the first and second part of this lesson, then do watch it. I will put the link of first and second part in the comment section or click on the I button given above. In this video we will cover only page number 42, 43 and 44. Okay, Rani's diary given on page number 42 of Math Magic class 4th. This is Rani and they are Rani's friend. Rani says to her friend, "Come, let's go to see my new baby sister." And Rani says to her mother, "Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia." This is Rani's mother and this is Munia. And Rani's mother says, "But she cannot eat. She is too small." Again, Rani says to her mother and she does not even talk. So Rani's mother says, she will start doing all these slowly as she grows up. रानी अपने दोस्त लोगों से कह रही है कि मेरी छोटी बहन को देखने जाना है, मैं उसके लिए स्वीट्स लाई हूँ। वो अपनी मम्मी को बोल रही है, मम्मी बोल रही है कि वो बहुत छोटी है। रानी बोल रही है कि वो तो अभी बोल भी नहीं सकती है, और मम्मी बोल रही है कि वो सब ये स्लोली स्लोली सब सीख जाएगी जब वो बड़ी होगी। दिस इज रानी. Rani says, "I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating and walking." Here are some pages from Rani's diary. Page 1. 5th of March 2005, Munia is born today. On 15th of September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. On 10th November 2005, Munia set up. On 20th November 2005, Munia started crawling. On 5th of January 2006, Munia stood up. On 5th of September 2005, Munia ate a banana. And 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. You can see here 5th of March 2005, 2005, 2005, 2005 and 2005. यहाँ पे जो 4 डेट्स हैं वो 2005 की हैं. And there are 2 dates mentioned in the Munia's diary of 2006. 5th January 2006 and 2nd February 2006. Okay. First of all, we will see the 12-month name of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The first month of the year is January, 2nd February, 3rd March, April, May, June, July, 8th August, 9th September, 10th October, November, and last month, that is 12th month, December. Okay, that means March is the 3rd month, September is 9th month, November 11th, again November 11th, January is the first month of the year, September 9th month, and February 2nd month. Okay, mark these in the correct order on Munia's timeline. We have to mark all these dates in the correct order on Munia's timeline. And this is Munia's timeline. And one answer is given in the textbook on 5th 0305. Munia was born. Here 5th, that means date, 5th date, and 03, that means 3rd month, and a 3rd month is March, that means 5th March, and 05, that means 2005. this is date, this is month, and this is year. Fifth, third, that means March, and 05 means 2005 years. That means 5th March 2005 Munia was born. Next, yes, on 5th March 2005 Munia is born today. In second page you can see 15th of September 2005 Munia got her first tooth. 10th November 2005 Munia set up. 20 November 2005 started crawling. On 5th of January 2005 Munia stood up. 5th of September 2005 Munia ate a banana. And last 2nd of February 2006 Munia started walking. Okay, so we have to mention first date, that is 5th of March 2005 Munia is born today. Munia born, Munia पैदा हुई थी उस दिन. Second date, which is second date from these all pages, सारे के सारे pages में से अब second dates कौन सी आएगी? 2005 वाली first में आएगी. 2005, 2005, 2005, 2005 and 2005 ये चारों पांचों खत्म हो जाएगी. उसके बाद 2006 आएगा. तो पहले हम इसको खत्म करेंगे. First month March, that means third month. Next April, no, April is not there in 2005, that means May, not there. June, July, August, September, yes, September is there. There is 2 September, 15th of September and 5th of September. So which date come first? Almost 5th September come first, that means 5/9 2005. Yes, first, second and third, 15th of September 2005, and next November and November 2005, but 10 come first. So 4th and 5th. Next here you can see January and February 2006. So which month comes first, January or February? Yes, January obviously come first. So this is number 6 and last. Okay, so first date mentioned here 5th of March 2005 Munia was born today, and second one is 5th of September Munia ate a banana, that means 5th of September 2005 ate a banana. Next 15th September 2005, 15/9/2005, 15/9/2005 got first tooth. Next number 4th, 10 November is 11th month, that means 10/11/2005, 10/11/2005 Munia set up. Okay, next number 5th, 20 November, that means 11th month, 20/11/2005, 20/11/2005 started crawling. Next number 6th, 5th January, January is the first month of the year, that means 5/1/2006, 5/1/2006 stood up. And last one is 2nd February 2006. February is the second month, that means 2/2/2006, 2/2/2006 Munia started walking. This is the timeline of Munia. Okay, next, Munia got her first tooth in September. And how many months old was she then? And how many months have passed from March to September? The Munia was born on 5th of March 2005, and she got her first tooth on 15th of September 2005. Munia got her first tooth on 15th of September 2005. And we know that March is the third month of the year and September is the 9th month of the year. You can see here where is March, here you can see March, and where is September, here you can see September. And our question, second question is, how many months passed from March to September? March से September अगर हमें count करना है तो कितने महीने लगेंगे? So that is first March to April, first April to May, second May to June 3rd, May to June 3rd, June to July 4th, July to August 5th, and August to September 6th. That means how many months have passed from March to 6? So there are 6th month passed from March to 6. मार्च से सितंबर जाने के लिए 6 महीने लग जाएंगे. Okay. Thus Munya was 6 month old till 5th of September 2005. तो मार्च से लेके सितंबर तक मुनिया 6 महीने की हो जाएंगी, बट 5th मार्च टू 5th सितंबर तक 6 महीने की हो जाएगी. बट हियर यू कैन सी 15th ऑफ सितंबर, दैट मींस 5 सितंबर तक तो 6 महीने की हो जाएगी, और उसके बाद दूसरे 10 दिन और लगेंगे, उसके दांत आते हैं तब तक. दैट मींस there are 10 more days for 15th September 2005. Hence Munya was 6 months and 10 days old when she got her first tooth. So how many months old was she then when Munya got her first tooth? जब उसको पहला दांत आता है तब वो कितने महीने की और कितने दिन की होगी? तो हर age is 6 months and 10 days. So here you can see the answer, 6 months and 10 days old. Next, how old was Munya when she first set up? Here you can see Munya was born on 5th of March 2005 and she first set up on 10th of November 2005. March 2005 to November 2005, and here 5th March you can see here, and here 10th of November. Here her age by that time is equal to 5th March 2005 to 4th November 2005. 5 मार्च से लेके 4 नवंबर तक उसके महीने तो हमें याद है, मार्च टू नवंबर, एंड अगेन 4th नवंबर से 20th नवंबर तक 6 दिन और बच जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स मार्च टू नवंबर 8 months plus 6 days. That means her age is 8 months and 6 days. She was 8 months and 6 days old when she first set up. So her answer of this question is 8 months and 6 days old when Munya first set up. Next question, how old was Munya when she got her first tooth? उसको जब पहला दांत हुआ तब वो कितने महीने की, कितने एज की हुई थी? Munya was born on 5th of March 2005, we already know, and Munya got her first tooth on 15th of September 2005. Okay, here you can see again March to September, we have to calculate the month March to September, and here you can see 5th of March and 15th of September. So her age by that time is equal to 5th March 2005 to 4th of September 2005. So March to September, how many months? And plus 4th March to 11th, that means 15 September. अगर 4 सितंबर के बाद 15 सितंबर तक अगर काउंट करेंगे तो there are 11 days left. That means इसमें हमें 11 days और ऐड करने पड़ेंगे. That means March to September we have already know 6 months and plus 11 days. That means 6 months and 11 days. She was 6 months and 11 days old when she got her first tooth. So answer of this question is 6 months and 11 days old when she got her first tooth. Okay, next question. What did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? वो पहले क्या सीखी थी? चलना सीखी थी या बनाना खाना सीखी थी? So Munya started walking on 2nd of February 2006, and She started eating a banana on 5th of September 2005. Here you again see this is 2006 and this is 2005. So which days, which date come first? 2nd of February 2006 or 5th of September 2005? So we can write this question answer easily because 2005 come first. So now 5th of September 2005 comes before 2nd of February 2006. So she started eating first. तो वो बनाना खाना पहले सीखी होगी. Next question, what did she do first? Crawling or standing? तो crawling करना पहले सीखी या standing चलना पहले सीखी थी? तो Munia started crawling on 20th November 2005 and Munia started standing up on 5th of January 2005. Here you can again see this is 2005 and 2006. That means this date comes first. Certainly 5th of January 2006 comes after 20th November 2005. That means Munia started crawling first. Munia started crawling first. Next, Rani had a pet puppy. Here you can see the Rani's puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. तो फिर वो ऐसा दिखता है. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. दांत आया 3 वीक के बाद और खाना शुरू कर दिया. Okay, after 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. 4 वीक के बाद उसने चलना शुरू कर दिया लेकिन वो वॉबलिंग कर रहा था, थोड़ा बहुत लड़खड़ा रहा था. And it had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. जब वो 7 महीने का हो गया तो उसके दांत पूरे के पूरे आ गए थे. And after completion of 1 year, it was a grown up dog and got its own puppies. और 1 साल के बाद वो इतना बड़ा हो गया कि उसके खुद के बच्चे भी आ गए. And here you can see the timeline of puppy, Rani's pet puppy. Okay, first 0 days born. Okay, after 2 weeks opened eyes, and after 3 weeks you can see here after 3 weeks it got its first teeth. Okay, after 3 weeks got its first tooth and started eating. After 4 weeks started walking around but it was still wobbling. Started walking but still wobbling. And 7th month had full set of teeth, got full set of teeth. And after 1 year grown up dog and got its own puppies. This is the timeline of puppy, Rani's pet dog puppy. इसकी पूरी की पूरी टाइमलाइन यहाँ पे मेंशन की है हमने. Next question, note the differences between Munia and Rani's puppy. Positions: started walking when Munia started walking and when puppy started walking. We can write here age, यहाँ पे हमें उनकी age लिखनी है. Ate food for the first time when Munia ate food first time and puppy ate food first time, and got the first tooth when Munia got the first tooth and puppy got the first tooth. And answer of these boxes 1, 2 and 3 in the column of puppy we have already know. started walking after 4 weeks. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. And ate food for the first time, puppy, after 3 weeks. And puppy got the first tooth after 3 weeks. ये तो हमें already पता था, हमने लिख दिए. But we don't know the age of Munia. Actually age of Munia. So we have to calculate the age of Munia when she started walking, at her first food and got a first tooth. Okay, so here you can see the calculation. First, Munia was born on 5th of March 2005, and Munia started walking on 2nd of February 2006. So let us calculate her age from 5th of March 2005 to 2nd of February 2006. हमें 5th of March 2005 से लेके 2nd February 2006 तक की एज कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो नंबर ऑफ डेज इन मार्च 2005 is equal to 31 minus 4 is equal to 37. तो मार्च के कितने मंथ लगेंगे? तो how many months are there? The total month of March is 31, and here mentioned 5th of March. That means we have to minus 4 from 31. इसलिए हमें 4 minus करने पड़ेंगे 31 में. तो we have so we got 37 days of March. And number of months from April to January. मार्च के बाद आता है अप्रैल, एंड फरवरी से पहले आता है जनवरी. तो अप्रैल से जनवरी तक के मार्च कैलकुलेट करेंगे. अप्रैल 2005 to January 2006. So April to January, how many months are there? There are 10 months. And number of days in February is equal to 2nd. Okay, you can see here. हमने पहले मार्च के मंथ पता किए. There are 27 month. And इसके बाद हमने फरवरी के भी मंथ पता किए. There are 2 days and 22nd days. एंड इसके बाद मार्च के बाद जो महीना आता है दैट मीन्स अप्रैल, एंड फरवरी से पहले जो महीना आता है दैट मीन्स जनवरी. तो कितने महीने लगते हैं? तो दैट मीन्स 10 days. So 10 month, and here you can see 27 days and 2 days, that means total days are 29. So she was 10 months and 29 days old when she started walking. So here Munia started walking आफ्टर 10 months and 29 days. उसकी एज इतनी होगी तब उसने चलना शुरू किया होगा. नेक्स्ट, एट फूड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. Here you can see the calculation. Now let us calculate the Munia's age when she ate food for the first time. She ate for the first time on 5th of September 2005. So her age will be calculated from 5th of March because Munia was born on 5th of March 2005, and she ate for the first food on 5th of September 2005. सॉरी, मैंने यहाँ पे 2006 लिख दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2005 आप याद रखना. सॉरी, so the time from 2005 5th of March 2005 to 4th September 2005 plus 1 day, because 5th of March 2005 to 5th of September 2005. So यहाँ पे हम 4th September तक ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे. So 5th March to 4th September plus 5th September, that means 1 day और बचता है, तो हमें 1 day यहाँ पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. That means 6 months and 1 day. So she was 6 months and 1 day old when she started eating for the first time. So here we can write the answer. The age of Munia when she ate food for the first time, 6 months and 1 day. तब उसकी एज इतनी होगी. Next, last we will find her age when she got her first tooth. Okay, she got her first tooth on 15th September, and her age at that time is equal to 5th March 2005 to 4th September 2005. 5 to 4th. 5 March 2005 Munia was born, इस डेट को वो पैदा हुई थी एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टाइम ड्यूरेशन फ्रॉम 5th of March 2005 to 15th of September 2005. सो 5th मार्च टू 4th सितंबर, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पर हम मंथ कैलकुलेट करेंगे और 4 सितंबर के बाद अगर 15 तक जाना है तो 11 डेज और बच जाते हैं, तो हमें 11 डेज को प्लस करना पड़ेगा. तो मार्च टू सितंबर देयर आर 6 months and plus 11 days. That means Munya was 6 months and 11 days old when she got her first tooth. So the answer is 6 months and 11 days old when she got her first tooth. ओके, यहाँ पर हमारा आज का टॉपिक खत्म होता है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.